So, hi, hello, ayan. So, ayan, this will be my first vlog for 2022. So, sana maging okay. Anyway, ayan. Let's all welcome and claim na this will be a better year. Ayan. Ayan. Happy New Year to all. And ayan. So, ang taba ko. Anyways, before I start with the unboxing and sharing with you what I have, I just want to ask all of you na please subscribe and share and comment and like. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you sa mga nagstay. Ayan. Anyways, ayan. I have a parang yearly tradition. What do you call that? Since 2010, if you have watched my previous videos, I have collection of Starbucks planner. Because here in the Philippines, we have that. It start parang November to collect stars, mga ganyan. So you can get yung planner in Starbucks. I'm not sure with other country. I forgot to ask. But I think wala sa Japan because my niece once asked me to collect stickers for her for a Starbucks planner. Anyway, I'd like to share you first the items or the things that I got for 2021. So for this year, because I've been collecting since 2010, right? So for this year, it's different because since it's pandemic, I don't have the card where you can collect. Before, it's a parang paper siya or cardboard where you can, when you collect stickers, doon ilalagay nila. But this year, they have the card na parang ATM-like card where hindi mo makikita yung mga stars unless you buy or pina-check mo sa counter ng Starbucks. Ayun. Tapos, this year, they have parang different, yun, parang selection ba? Can we call that selection? This. They have parang you can choose planner plus the wallet. Tapos, or mug plus the wallet. And they have two colors. They have white and black. So, for this year, para maiba naman, I chose to have the wallet and the mug. So there. I have already used the wallet. Ayun. Ano lang siya, parang it's a long wallet where you can what do you call this wallet? A pouch or ano? But it has a small notebook inside where you can also write anything. Tapos I use this because it fits, my vaccination card fits the wallet. So ayan, kaya ito rin yung napili ko. Tapos nice siya kasi lightweight or yun. Kasya siya dun sa mga maliliit kong bag. Nice siya. Ayan. I have the white one. They also have black, ganun. Tapos, instead nga na mag-planner ako this year, ayun, pinili ko yung mug. They also, yun, they have mug. So, ayan. Ang nice. Ayan o, diba? Ayan. So, wallet and mug minus the planner for this year. Ayan. 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 Next is, so, ayan. Ayan ang aking. But, I'm not sure when I can use or where, cause ayun nga, hindi pa naman ako pumapasok. I'm still here dito pa rin sa bahay. Luckily, lucky, I'm not sure if we can call that lucky. But, yun nga, they are, mabait yung office namin where pwede pa kami magstay sa bahay to work dito sa bahay. Yun. Instead na mag-risk going parang sa office. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, ayun nga. Ano na dito? Nawala ako. I'm not sure paano ako naging member, but I just saw sa IG yung Blagapalooza, if you know that. So, nag-inquire ako about, because they have parang mga trainings and seminars about how you can improve as a, parang kukuba, wait lang. How you can improve as a content creator, yung mga ganon. Actually, their parang, anong tawag doon, is, basta yung ano nila is Blagapalooza, the Philippine Premier Influencer Marketing Company, yon. So, finalo ko sila sa Facebook, tapos yun, I'm not sure if November or December yun, sorry ha, medyo ano. So, ayun, they have parang welcome Zoom party to all the new members, ayun, napasama nga ang tita inyo. So, ayun. Kasi nag-inquire ako and I follow them and I'm interested with, kasi syempre, I also want, kasi nandito na ako syempre and gusto ko rin i-improve yung content creation or yung about vlogging, kasi nandito na ako, 'di ba? Kahit papaano gusto ko rin i-improve or magkaroon ng ma-enhance on how siya pagde-deliver, 'di ba? Hindi ko naman parang parang yun nga, gusto ko rin i-improve para mag-stay din yung mga subscriber. Ayan. Tapos ayun, after the seminar, they sent us, I think all the new members were parang pinadalhan nila nung welcome kit. So, here's the kit. Ayan. Ayan. Ang happy ko. Feeling ko kasi ano na ako. Parang, since they welcome me sa Vlog Fam. Ayan, here. So, I'm so happy. Kasi kahit pa paano, may, di ba, parang hindi, ayun, ang first na ano ko is, di ba, mahilig talaga akong makeup. Before talaga, mahilig talaga akong review. Yun yung before, gusto ko yung mga sulat-sulat pa lang, before pa, wala pa talaga yung vlog, wala pa talagang YouTube noon. Ang ano pa lang is parang magsusulat. So, hindi kasi ako ganun kagaling magsulat. So, this is my chance. Kaya pero natuwa ako na kahit papano, parang may nangyayari na with what I'm doing. Ayun. Anyways, ayan. They sent me a kit. Ayan. Ang laman niya is socks. Ayan. Isang socks. Pero kulay orange, diba? But sobrang nice ang color. Tapos, mask. They also, the bags also include a stickers. Then, welcome note. Ngayon. Ayan. Ayan sila. I'm so happy kasi, ayun. I'm not sure if nakukulitan nga sila because one time, parang wala kasing sumasagot. But, they, parang after a while, ayun, parang nag-ulit-ulit lang ako ng tanong, siguro. Yun, pag-ahalata, diba? Pero anyway, ayun, okay naman. And, looking forward for yung mga seminars about, content creation and everything about marketing sa mga susunod na araw. So, ayun. I'm looking forward to that. Ayun. Tapos, the next day, I was surprised kasi it wasn't me that received this. Parang inabot nung courier sa husband ko, but it doesn't have a name. Ayan. Parang tuwan-tuwa naman ako. Feel ko naman na ano na ako, na parang vlogger na, nakaka-receive na ng anong tawag dito? Anong tawag doon? Ayan, nakaka-receive na ng mga products, mga free products. I'm not sure if this is also from Vlogapalooza, but I haven't asked them. Pero ayan, it's Elana Mineral Cosmetics, mga cosmetics from Elana. Parang nagulat ako, but I haven't used them kasi, sobrang surprise ako, kaya hindi pa sila ginagamit. So, ayan, ito yung mga laman ng paper bag. So, they sent me the Elana Power Face Cleanser. Ayan. Tapos, we also have here the Blur. Ano to? Ayan. Yan. Tapos, they also sent me DDCC. Hindi na lang BB ngayon na DDCC cream na. And, yung pinaka gusto. And also, itong Glass Skin Glow. They sent me this. But, cooling facial spray. Gusto ko nitong bumili. Buti lang pinadalan nila ako. And, ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. Ito. So, ayun lang. Sinare ko lang. Siguro I'll have a separate parang vlog about this, yung mga products kasi I haven't used them cause sobrang tontuwa ako kaya hindi ko pa sila ginagamit. Parang masyado akong natuwa kaya hindi ko pa natatry. Ayan. Anyways, ayun. Yun lang. Sinare ko lang yung mga aking natanggap at siya ang aking inipon-ipon na sticker from last December. Ayan. Anyways, ayun lang. And thank you sa mga sana mag-subscribe pa rin kayo. And until my next video, thank you. Bye.